I got that feeling someone's watching me. Right before I caught you staring. This body language I see you speak. Oh, there's no words necessary.
What up, YouTube? Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I'm Sherri and I'm so glad you're here today. Thank you so much for joining me. Today I am going to do another installment of the Rocking Every Palette series and using my Lorac palettes. Today I'm going to do an eye look combining the Lorac The Resort Eye and Cheek palette and the Lorac Unzipped Desert Sunset palette. So these are what they look like. This one has super beautiful colors, but I need this one for a transition and a rosier shade. So the only thing I'm missing from these two palettes is a matte brow bone shade. So I'm just going to pull in one that I already have, just a little single from Tarina Tarantino. So I am up at the break of dawn, the crack of dawn. It's probably 5:30-ish, something like that. I'm finding that that's the only time I have to film. When I get home from work, I am fully exhausted and I just don't have the energy to do it. So you get me first thing in the morning. So I might look a little sleepy. I might be a little puffy. It's whatever. So I'm going to go ahead and do this eye look. I will show you each shade and brush, but I'm going to zip through it so that I don't make myself late for work. So if you'd like to see what I create for my Rocking Every Palette installment with these two palettes, then please keep watching.
Baby, it's sweet like honey. It got me flying like birds and bees. So come on, put your hands on my body. Ooh, we can leave when you're ready. Oh, do you want me? I see the way you're looking at me. I got that feeling someone's watching me. Right before I caught you staring. This body language I see you speak. Oh, there's no words necessary. Do you just want my money? Do you buy your own drinks? I wanna get straight and sunny. Then come on, come on, come on. Do you want me? I see the way you're looking at me. Do you want me? I see the way you're looking at me. You got me going, now I'm taking that leap. 'Cause you give me faith to something. Ooh, now you're bringing me to my knees. 'Cause you don't believe in nothing.
Alright folks, this is what I got. Just kind of a sunset type eye with some warm pink and purple. I think it's beautiful. So I'm going to go put on liner, lashes, and mascara, and I will be back for us to do the lippy together. Alright folks, this is what it looks like with the lashes and liner. Pretty. What do you think of that highlight, you guys? Whisper of Guilt by MAC. It was one of my birthday finds. How blindingly beautiful is that? Alright, so I decided I wanted to go with kind of a neutral lip. And so I'm going to use the Urban Decay Rush lip liner with the Bare Minerals Gen Nude Juju. You guys know I love these lippies. I just love them. Right, I think that looks good with it. And I'm going to set my face with Urban Decay Chill Makeup Setting Spray because it's hot and I want my makeup to stay. Alright folks, that's it. This is the finished look. Here's an up close and personal for you. I think the lippy goes great with it. I am happy with today's look. I think it's a little bit different than what I normally do, and I got to use 2 palettes. So I hope you like what I created with the Lorac, the Resort palette, combined with the Lorac Unzipped Desert Sunset palette. I'm making my way through, guys. I'm going to be done soon so that I can give you the next installment of my palette collection. So, moving on through, moving on up. I've got to get out of here. I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate it. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, take care and God bless. Bye, guys. What up, YouTube? Hey guys, I'm so glad you're here. What up, YouTube? So,
come on, come on, come on. Do you want me?